Starting a small manufacturing business with limited capital and simple tools can seem daunting, but with careful planning and execution, it's a very achievable goal. This script will guide you through the crucial initial steps, providing a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. First, and perhaps most importantly, identify a profitable niche. What specific product can you create that caters to a genuine need or desire within the market? Extensive market research is essential here. Analyze existing products, identify gaps in the market, and pinpoint areas where you can offer something unique or improve. Consider products that are inherently suitable for production with basic tools and readily available materials. Also, critically evaluate your own skills and interests. What are you genuinely good at? What do you enjoy making? Your passion will be a vital ingredient in your success. Next, meticulously develop a comprehensive business plan. This document should outline your product in detail. Clearly define your target market including demographics, needs, and buying habits, and describe your marketing and sales strategies for reaching that market effectively. Determine your total startup costs with extreme accuracy. This includes the cost of raw materials, essential tools. Both new and used options should be considered, any necessary permits or licenses, and even initial marketing expenses. Then, build a detailed budget to meticulously manage your finances from the outset, ensuring that you can track income and expenses and adjust your approach as needed. Consider also creating a simple cash flow projection. Then comes the critical step of sourcing tools and materials. The key here is to start simple and scale up as your business grows. You don't need the most expensive, top-of-the-line equipment to begin. Explore options for used tools in good working condition. These can often be found at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Also, consider the possibility of borrowing tools from friends or family members, particularly during the initial stages. For materials, explore local suppliers in your area. Develop relationships with them. Consider buying materials in bulk, if your storage space permits, as this will often significantly reduce the unit cost. Furthermore, consider the environmental impact of your choices and make sustainable decisions where possible. After this, the focus shifts to product development and rigorous prototyping. Create your initial sample product or products. Test them thoroughly. Gather feedback from potential customers and, based on that feedback, refine your design iteratively. This process of continuous improvement is absolutely critical. Do not be afraid to experiment with different materials, designs, and manufacturing processes. Simultaneously, consider the overall manufacturability of the product. Can it be produced efficiently and cost-effectively with the tools and setup you currently have, or realistically will have soon? Next, focus on strategic marketing and sales. Start with a lean, targeted approach. Build a solid online presence. Social media platforms, especially those visually oriented, can be a fantastic way to showcase your products and attract customers. Take high-quality, professional-looking photos and videos of your products in use. Consider also participating in local markets, craft fairs, or other events. Network actively with other businesses, both within and outside your industry, as these connections can help spread the word about your products and build valuable partnerships. Address legal considerations from the start. Register your business officially. This may involve choosing a suitable business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company (LLC), depending on your specific circumstances and goals. Obtain all necessary licenses and permits required to legally manufacture and sell your product. Ensure strict compliance with all relevant safety regulations that apply to your product, protecting both your customers and your business. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, manage your finances diligently. Keep detailed, meticulous records of all income and expenses. Separate your business finances from your personal finances. Reinvest profits strategically back into your business, enabling expansion, improvement, and innovation. Consider seeking financial advice from a professional. Remember, it's perfectly acceptable to start small and gradually scale up as your business grows. And as your resources permit, focus relentlessly on product quality, outstanding customer service, and a continuous process of improvement. This approach will set you on the path to long-term success. Good luck with your entrepreneurial venture.